So perhaps you're wondering about UV line marking. What is it? Do you need it? Is it worthwhile? Is it any better? How quick does it dry? Well, if you've ever wondered anything about UV, then today you are in the right place, because that is exactly what we're going to be installing. So in this warehouse, we're going to be putting down a full UV system, which means we're putting down a UV base followed by a UV sealer in yellow. However, there is a hybrid option available, which is a bit more economical and actually does provide an exceptionally good finish. For the hybrid option, normally you'd put a water-based paint down followed by a UV sealer on top. Whereas when you go for the full UV system, you'll have a UV base coat, sometimes 2 or 3 layers deep, followed by a UV top coat. For this project, we're going to be using the Solid Lux range of UV curable paints. Let me show you what it's going to look like, and we're using the brand new Decorad Gen 6 UV curing machine. Let's dive in and I'll show you all about it. What we're doing is applying the base coat first, which is being hand rolled. Once this is down, we're going to run the UV machine straight over the top of it, and this will be instantly trafficable. So as the UV machine passes over the painted lines, you'll see now that this is completely dry to the touch and it's ready for its top coat to be applied. Now this is the UV curable top coat. This is going on top of the base coat that we've already installed. We've got 2 layers of base coat and a single layer of top coat, and this gives us a full UV system. If we were looking to do this as a hybrid system, we would have applied the yellow water-based paint, then with a clear sealer over the top, and that would give us the hybrid finish. Now, arguably the biggest benefit of UV line marking, of course, is going to be how fast it cures. And as this UV light passes over the wet painted lines, you will see that these are instantly dried and ready to be trafficked.